Okay, we're going to look at how you can reduce the file size of the videos that you upload. Very quickly, roughly every second of full quality DVD video is 10 megabytes. Therefore, 1 minute of full quality DVD video is around about 60 megabytes. Even with broadband, that's rather a lot to upload and perhaps more importantly to download if you want your video to be seen. So I'm going to show you how, using a free piece of software, if you've got Windows XP, Windows Movie Maker can reduce that file size without reducing the file quality too much. First of all, open up Windows Movie Maker. Then go to the File menu and Import into Collections. This opens up a browser window. I'm going to just change the look of the window to Details and to Type. This is the file that I'm going to use. As we can see, it's round about 60 megabytes in size, just over a minute long. So we click on Import to import that into the collection. From there we drag it to the timeline. Okay, and there we can see it on the timeline. You may want to just play it first of all, just to be sure that you've got the right one. When you're happy that your video is the one that you want, click on File, Save Movie File, and that will open up a new window for you. You've got 5 different options, pre-selected file compressions for different types of use. If you want full control, my advice is to use the Save for My Computer. Click on Next, and there you're prompted to enter a file name for your video. So we're going to call it The Knights of the Damned. I'm just going to number it 1. Okay, choose a place where you want to save your file. Once you're happy with that, click Next. And as we can see already, because Windows Movie Maker is saving it in the WMV file format, that is already a compressed file format, and it has reduced it by using its default setting to 18 megabytes from 60 megabytes. We've still got full DVD size, although compressed for streaming. So you could just leave it at that, click on Next and save your file. But you can also reduce that file size even further, just by clicking on the down button. As we can see, we've made the file size a little bit smaller. Careful to note that here the bit rate is decreasing. That means that for that size of viewing image, the quality is reducing slightly. Keep doing that, and what we'll see is Windows Movie Maker automatically defaults to a different file size once the bit rate has dropped too low. And here we can see it's 640 by 480, which is the size of some older computer monitors. We can still make a big saving, 9 megabytes instead of the 18 megabytes that it was. You may also decide that you want to reduce it even further. So again, keep going, and we can see that the bit rate's reducing and the file size is. And now we go to what is a very common web size of video, 320 by 240 pixels, and this will display perfectly adequately on most websites. So if you're happy with that, you click on the next button and your video will be saved. This will take a little while depending on the finished size of your video, so I'm going to speed it up a little bit. Okay, and there you are, your video is saved and finished. Now you can check the box here if you want Windows Movie Maker to play the video when you finished, or just click Finish. And there you are, you're done. Then upload to your favorite video hosting website or to your blog site, whatever. Hope you found this useful.